right off the bat. First chatterbait fish of the year. It's a nice one. There we go. As you can see, not a great guy, not huge, but a beautiful fish. Chatterbait works for sure. First cast with it. Get a close up for the thumbnail. Can't beat it. Z-man Jackhammer Chatterbait. Let's get this guy back in the water. Again, if you don't have this lure, there's plenty of videos on my channel that show why this is a great lure to use. If you don't want to have one tied on your next cast, you probably should. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.